Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to TECLAST T60. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of T60. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to selected at the bottom. Hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!